T-Mobile Home Internet utilizes 5G fixed wireless technology to deliver broadband. Upgrading primarily involves increasing your download speeds through plan adjustments. As of October 2025, T-Mobile offers plans up to 1 Gbps in select areas. The entry-level plan remains at $50 a month for 100 Mbps. Premium options include 75 month for 245 Mbps and 100 month for 1 Gbps in eligible areas. Upgrading typically requires checking your coverage eligibility on the T-Mobile website or app and then selecting a faster plan. It's important to note that strong 5G signal strength is crucial for optimal performance. Factors influencing upgrades include your location, the strength of the 5G signal, and the capabilities of your current gateway. In many cases, higher speeds can be unlocked via software updates, but some customers may need a newer home internet gateway. Key recent developments include expanded 1 Giga coverage and a new equipment rollout like the ARC XCI55AXE gateway, which supports Wi-Fi 6E. T-Mobile has been investing in 5G infrastructure to address coverage gaps, so it is becoming more available. Upgrading your T-Mobile home internet plan is done through the T-Mobile app or website. If you are eligible for a higher speed plan, you may need to upgrade your home internet gateway. T-Mobile offers free or subsidized swaps for eligible customers. The latest gateway, model ARC XCI55AXE, supports speeds up to 1 Gbps and includes Wi-Fi 6E for better performance. Once you've upgraded your plan and received any necessary new equipment, you can self-install the gateway using T-Mobile's provided guides. After installation, test your internet speed using T-Mobile's built-in tools or third-party apps to verify the upgrade's effectiveness. Additional equipment, such as extenders, $25 to $50 each, can boost coverage in larger homes. Make sure the gateway is installed correctly to get the best service possible. Be aware of potential challenges. Occasional network congestion during peak hours can affect speeds. T-Mobile addressed this by investing $5 billion in 5G infrastructure upgrades in 2025, aiming for 99% reliability.